Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, Dekalb, Illinois. Hey, check this out. 2016 Buick Enclave. Look at this. Isn't it pretty? Nice chrome wheels, gray in color, privacy glass. You got sunroof up there and a sun view, sky view. Sorry about that. It's got rear backup assist, rear backup camera, power lift gate, keyless entry into the car, of course, and remote start. Good room back here. I think from 2016 and up, they actually gave you more room in the back here, which helps with luggage and stuff. And you can also put one of these seats down one at a time, and then 60/40 if you need to put more stuff in it, and still have a third row. So it makes things nice. This is an all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder. It's got a clean auto check. It's all set up, ready to go. We've looked at it mechanically. All the maintenance is up to date, and does have factory warranty from GM on this vehicle. So nice, you know, you can buy the car with confidence. Nice chrome accents. Look at this, neutral leather, nice and clean. You got the quad seats, nice back seat. There's that skylight I finally got it right. Skylight I was talking about. Wood trim throughout the car, AM, FM, CD, satellite radio with backup camera shows up there too. This car has the driver safety package, so you got the collision alert and the lane departure, auto shift, heated seats, dual automatic climate control, cup holders, nice big center armrest with storage. You got radio and cruise control on the steering wheel. Oh, bonus, it's got a heated steering wheel. You're going to like that in the wintertime. Power windows, door locks, mirrors, memory seat. Does have power seats up front, nice analog gauges, and a sunroof. Holy cow, what's this car missing? You need to get down here and buy this one. Hey, check out pictures at tomsparks.com. Don't forget to ask for Brad, and thanks for watching.